Today we are going to make rock cake. This recipe is very simple and you can very quickly make it. These are the ingredients that we need to make rock cakes. First we need to mix flour with baking powder, sieve it and put it into a bowl. Then add sugar and vanilla into this. After that, add butter and mix butter with flour by using your fingertips. We need to mix this until it becomes like breadcrumbs. Now add raisins into this. Then beat the egg a bit and add it to the flour mixture. Finally add fresh milk. We don't need this dough a lot. Just need to mix until all ingredients are well combined. This dough should be a sticky one. Now get golf ball sized teaspoons of the mixture and place them on the baking tray. Don't take the mixture into your hand and roll them into balls. Then we can bake them around 20 to 25 minutes under 190 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven. This recipe is super simple and especially if you have kids, this recipe would be a great one for their school lunchbox. As usual, I have uploaded some nice photos of this recipe in my dailylife.lk site. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. See you soon with another delicious recipe.